So far so good. So like I said with the previous video too, like the only issue with this version of full self-driving is when we know we're about to exit, you know, even like it's only like a mile or 2 miles ahead of us, it still try to go to the fast lane for some reason rather than just stay in the right lane, slow lane. But other than that, it's pretty good. So if you guys watch the earning calls that Elon actually shows, like some of the Tesla Model Y, they actually drive to their spots where it's supposed to be get delivered. It's pretty neat, pretty awesome. Less staff needs to drive the car, you know. And so hopefully by June they're gonna have full self-driving unsupervised, and I think in Texas and California. Other than that, I'm pretty happy. We're about 11 minutes into the drive. Oh crap, just ran over something. Alright, we're getting traffic ahead of us right now. Gotta slow down. Traffic. We're heading on the 57 South right now, so a little bit of traffic here. Yeah. Right, traffic. So any of you guys have a 2000 same model as my car and already got the latest update on the V version 12.6, let me know. I'm still waiting on it. So now we're exiting and we're in the local area. So let's see how it does in local. You keep good distance, you know, from behind the other vehicle. Pretty good.
Now turn left onto East Lambert Road.
braking, accelerating, very smooth. Just like a human. Maybe sometimes better than a human drive. But yeah, it keep itself in the center of the lane. Keep distance from the vehicle ahead. Yeah, everything's good. Nice. I can't wait to try out the new version, the updated ones, the latest one. That one's, once I get that one, I'm probably gonna go live with that one. But yeah, we're about 16 minutes from my sister's house. There's a truck here, locally. We're on Lambert. Actually, this is Valencia now, Valencia Avenue. I think we're in Yorba Belinda area now. So, nice area. Oh, wow. Come on. The Prius got messed up in the back. Probably because of the way they drive. Maybe later on I'm gonna try like other mode other than chill mode and see how aggressive it does, average or whatever mode other than chill. See what happens. Very cloudy over here right now in California. No sun at all. We need sun to come up. The full self driving, it's the cabin camera is doing its job. Earlier I tried to pick up my phone and look at the phone. Right away it alerted me like say, hey, you need to pay attention. Keep your eyes to the road, you know.
1,000 feet.
So yeah, it is full self driving, but this version, they want you to take full control if something were to happen. So I think Elon said something in June. It's gonna release the unsupervised, so can't wait for that version to come out as well too. Yes, really nice.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Rose Drive.
I've been sick like a couple of days now, so probably got a flu.
Now turn left onto Rose Drive.
Alright, so it didn't run a yellow, which is good. Sometime it would run a yellow, so which is good. Brake kind of hard there, but you know, I don't know how Tesla decide when to run a yellow light and when not to run it. I don't know, but either way, just act like a human would do it. Sometimes I run a yellow light, and sometimes I just stop at yellow light. I guess it depends on the speed that we're going. I got a question for you.